Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing relay cards variants. Here we will understand how to choose variants with their code names. So let's get started. Mainly relay cards variants are divided into three categories: regular series, high power series and special series. In regular series, available variants are Relay 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 4.1F, 4.2L, 5.1F, Cotton 1X and Cotton 2X. In high power series, available variants are 2.0H1, 3.0H1, 4.0H1, 5.0H1, 6.0H1, 4.1FH1, 4.2LH1, 5.1FH1. And in special series, available variants are Relay 6.0H6, 10-pin JETC, Relay 5.1FH1C1. Relay 4.F means 4 direct points and 1 dimming point. Dimming type, capacitive or humming free, used for AC fan regulation purpose. And 4.1L means 4 direct points, 1 dimming point, dimming type triad based phase cut dimming. Relay 4.1L H1 means 4 direct points, 1 dimming points. Out of 4 direct points, 3 points are 10 amps and 1 point is 16 amps. For more details, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.